Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Friday, April 25th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather wet at times. This afternoon and tonight, the chance of a few severe storms, mainly for the southern half of the state. Then dry air comes right back tomorrow and over the weekend. There's the upper look this morning. There's your trough west of the state that will be driving those thunderstorms in here later today. Check out the current radar situation. This was the radar from Jackson around 5 o'clock this morning. A pretty potent band of storms there approaching Interstate 55 with severe thunderstorm warnings in effect in advance of that. Those should weaken in coming hours before they reach Alabama. In theory, of course, we'll keep an eye on them. Temperatures are mostly in the 60s to start the day, although we see a few 50s over east and northeast Alabama. Highs should be in the 70s in most spots today. Here's the watch warning map. To the west, we have a few severe weather watches, including this severe thunderstorm watch until 9 o'clock for parts of Mississippi and Louisiana with that band of storms you saw there on radar. Here's the severe weather outlook for today. Got a risk of severe storms for the central Gulf Coast region. In Alabama, the standard risk, level 2 out of 5, south of a line from near Dixon's Mills down to about Chapman and Geneva, areas in yellow. And a marginal risk, level 1 out of 5, as far north as Tuscaloosa, Prattville, and Eufaula. No severe storms expected for the northern half of the state. And then tomorrow, we have marginal risks on the eastern seaboard and for the Florida Peninsula. Day 3, which is Saturday, a marginal risk around the Red River, the Texas-Oklahoma border. And on day 6, which is Tuesday, a risk of severe storms for much of Oklahoma and parts of Texas. But for Alabama, most of next week looks very warm and dry. Rain for the next 7 days, heaviest rain north of here. Almost all the rain for us for the next 7 days should be later today and tonight. Rain amounts 1/2 to 1 inch for the north, a little over 1 inch for the south. Heavier totals maybe for the southwestern corner of the state. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06Z run at 1 o'clock this afternoon. There's the trough to the west and the batch of storms moving in. The model's not necessarily well initialized this morning, so don't be shocked if the radar doesn't look exactly like this. This is the 3-kilometer NAM, valid at noon today, and that weakening batch of showers moving in here from Mississippi. They should be sub-severe at that point. And then by 6 o'clock, you can see new storms initiating down in South Alabama, far South Alabama. That's where the risk of severe storms will likely be. Mobile and Baldwin counties, maybe Escambia County, places like that. Those could pack a punch. For the north, a chance of showers and storms, but you can see the rain not necessarily that widespread as the convection near the coast kind of cuts off the inflow. This is 11 o'clock tonight. We'll have a few showers around, maybe some thunder, nothing especially widespread. And then by 4 o'clock, it's all gone. So we think the better chance of severe storms over the southern half of the state today. Rain amounts for the north, probably not all that heavy. And then tomorrow should be a beautiful day. The rain and storms well to the east. The sky will be sunny and a bit cooler, the high in the low to mid-70s. Saturday, a beautiful day to start the weekend. Lots of sunshine, the high around 80. And Sunday, we'll call it partly sunny, highs 77 to 80. Nice weather for the race weekend at Talladega. Next week, the ridge begins to build. Warm and dry. Monday, mid-80s, mostly sunny. Same thing Tuesday. And Wednesday looks warm and dry. We'll call it partly sunny. We'll be well up in the 80s. And this is a week from today, Thursday, the 2nd of May. You can see ridging across the southeastern states and the trough way up north. And again, the main batch of showers and storms with that feature should stay north of us. And again, that looks dry. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday, May 4th. The ridge is beat down a little bit, and a surface boundary drops in. That looks like that might bring a chance of showers and thunderstorms for the northern half of the state. But again, this is 10 days out. This will probably change. Yeah, buddy, looking like summer next week. Highs well up in the 80s. We could see some upper 80s on a few days with lows mostly in the 60s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.